Students, good morning to all of you. Whilst in previous video, I have explained about the concept of acid and base. Okay? I think all of you have clear concept about this topic. Now today I am going to discuss about the most important topic, pH. Okay? pH. pH is made up of a German word that is called potenz. Potenz. Potenz means power. What do you mean by potenz? Potenz means power. So it is also known as power of hydrogen. Okay? It is clear? Now the definition, how will you define it? pH is the negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ion. Okay? Mathematically, you can write pH is equal to minus log H plus concentration. Okay? This is the mathematical form of pH. Although you will study in higher classes, here it is not necessary in class 10. Okay? You will study in class 11 and 12. Okay? Only you have to keep in mind that pH is the negative logarithm of concentration of H plus ion or hydronium. Okay? Now pH scale. pH scale is first derived by Sorensen. What? Sorensen. So it is called also Sorensen scale. On this scale, you can obtain by knowing the pH. If the pH is 7, then the neutral solution will be formed. The neutral nature of the solution will be neutral. So, water, carbon monoxide, these are neutral solution. Okay? Now, if the pH is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, then basic strength will increase. Basic strength increases. Okay? You have to keep in mind that if the pH is more than 7, then the basic strength will increase. And if the pH is less than 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then acidic strength will increase. Okay? Now in other words, you can say that if the H plus ion concentration will decrease, the basic character will increase. And if the hydrogen H plus ion concentration will increase, the acid strength will increase. Okay? So if the pH is 1 to 7, then it is termed as neutral solution. In this case, concentration of H plus ion is equal to the concentration of OH minus ion. If the pH is less than 7, then the solution will be acidic. Okay? And if the pH is greater than 7, then the solution will be basic. Okay? So it is clear? Now in this topic, only you can see that what will be the nature of the solution. Okay, now one question is arise that a substance A which have 3 pH, another substance B which have 4 pH, which one is more acidic in nature? On the basis of this pH scale, you can see that if the pH is 3, then that will be more acidic than 4. So the substance A will have more acid. Okay? It is clear? Now if the substance have 10 pH and 11 pH, which will be more basic? Obviously, the substance which have 10 pH, that will be more basic in nature. Okay, it is clear? So many questions are asked on the basis of this pH. Now, another thing you have to keep in mind that what are the pH of the short solution? Okay, what are the pH of the short solution? Now, if you have given the short, suppose NaCl is given to you. NaCl is given to you. How do you identify that what will be the pH of that solution? Okay. Now you will write NaCl plus H2O, corresponding acid and base will be formed. HCl plus NaOH. Okay, it is clear or not? It is clear? Okay. Now here in this case HCl is a strong acid and NaOH is a strong base. Okay. In this case, both the concentration of H plus ion is equal to the concentration of OH minus ion, because they all are what? They all are strong acid as well as base. Okay. Now, in this case, the concentration of H plus ion is equal to the OH minus ion. Hence, what will be the pH of that solution? That will be the neutral, and hence the pH will be 7, and that will be the example of neutral solution. Okay, it is clear? Similarly, you can write NH4Cl. NH4Cl. Now, in this case, NH4Cl that will dissolve in water. What will be the form? HCl plus NH4OH. What will be the pH of that short solution? Now you can see the corresponding acid and corresponding base is formed. So what will be the nature of that acid? A strong acid. Here, weak base. It is clear? Weak base. So what will happen? The nature of the solution is what? Acidic. And as a result of that, the pH will be less than 7. What will be the result? pH will be less than 7. So the solution will be acidic. It is clear? Okay. Now another example, you can take CH3COONA. CH3COONA. What is the name of that salt? That is called sodium acetate. When sodium acetate is dissolved in water, what we form? CH3COOH plus NaOH. It is clear? CH3COH plus NaOH. Now consider the acid as well as base. CH3COH is called weak acid and NaOH is called a strong base. Okay? Now what will be the concentration of that solution? Here the concentration of OH minus ion will increase in that solution. That is why the nature of that solution will be basic. And if the solution will be basic, then what will be the pH of that solution? pH is equal to greater than 7 and the solution will be basic. Okay boys? I think all topics are clear here, all points are clear here. So you can identify on the basis of each solution. I am giving you the example and you can write yourself what will be the pH of that solution. That is another short. This will be the another short is CH3COONA. Another is MeCl2. Another is fourth is ammonium, or you can write CaCl2. Fifth is CaSO4. These are the short solution you have to identify on the basis of the pH. Okay? Thank you very much. I will see you again in next video. Okay? Very good.